give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine.
I really wish for her to excel on her studies, to be a better person, better friend. She's already pretty great, and we love her so much. We dedicate all of our time and effort for her to be happy, and thank you for my family, all of my relatives who are here today because they made it happen. Her only wish today was to see Jollibee and Hetty, to actually see and eat Chicken Joy. That's all her wish.
That sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes.
So welcome our best friend and your best friend, walang iba, Jollibee!
Bring on summertime. Bring on summertime.
We're very proud of you, Olivia. We're beyond proud of you, actually. Thank you for being our daughter. And we look forward to seeing what a wonderful human being you grow up to be.
Bakit ako walang balakpak? Sa kanya lang.
Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine.
Jolly kids, are you ready to play?
Bring on summertime. Bring on summertime. Bring on
My heart is
summertime.
really crying inside because of the happiness. Yesterday was my 60th birthday, and this is the greatest birthday I ever had in my entire life. The presence of this family complete my life. We've been through a lot, but all families are, encountering the same. But what is important? The love that we have for each other, for all the kids, especially for Olivia.
And you knew every word, and we all sang along to a
We never thought that they have that kind of closeness since they were very far away for 10 years. Especially, Caleb, come here, hug Olivia.
will live on forever in every
It's been a very, very, very emotional and happy. I don't know where my happiness is coming from, seeing my family complete. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung nanay ko.
Ay, mi familia, origami gente, canten ang coro, let it be known. Our love for each other will live on forever.
Not distance, anak, will ever separate us all together. We will be together forever, and this is the start of a new beginning to all of us.
Our love for each other.
Thank you very, very, very much. Don't know how happy I am right now. Seeing my family is they are my life.
Olivia, let's grow out na maging gorgeous, sexy, wow, flawless like mommy. Alright, pero po
Thank you po sa lahat-lahat po nung pumunta ngayon. Na-appreciate po namin yung pagpunta nyo dito. Sa totoo lang, ang hirap-hirap i-gather together ng family ko talaga. So thank you so much. Without yung mga efforts ng mga nandito po today, hindi po mangyayari kasi to eh. And we're leaving Friday, so this has been a very, very nice time for us and especially for my daughter too.
The hula will pass through us without holding it, and then we're gonna bring it back to him in front of you.
Yes! Olivia, siguro ang no wag. No wag. No wag. Wag na wag. Kakain. Ay, sa kabila.
Big thank you to Vicky. You've made us feel amazing this entire trip. She's really gone out of her way for us. Big thank you to Mao and PJ, who's we've inconvenienced a lot driving around. And everybody, we really appreciate this. This is a very special moment for us and for Olivia. We don't have the opportunity to have parties like this at home.
Congratulations, Team Ollie! Olivia, siguro ako no wag. No wag. No wag. Maging sakitin. Always strong and healthy like Mr. Yay! And last one, Olivia, the fancy girl of that, always be happy like Jollibee and happy. That's a Jollibee, bida ang saya. Okay, thank you very much.